sa inyong lahat. Of course, wala namang ibang key message dito kundi thank you. So thank you very much to all our media friends for all your support since the beginning. We are very grateful na kasama namin kayo start of the year hanggang ngayon. Thank you for letting us be part of your platforms. Thank you for sharing Xiaomi stories, reviewing our products. Maraming salamat for all your participation in every way, attending our activities, may it be a small activity or yung mga lalaking launches natin, kasama namin kayo. So, hopefully next year, magkakasama pa rin tayo. We are very, very excited kasi this year, we've made a lot of great achievements in terms of the business. We're very, very happy to share that we're solid number 2. That's all because of you guys. In terms of AIoT, we still remain as the brand with the widest portfolio of AIoT products. And at the same time, we've done a lot of brand activities this year na hopefully potentially impact the society, like all the Brigada Escuela, all the Xiaomi Pop Run, and other brand activities na nagawa natin this year. Next year, mas marami pa tayong aabangan, mas marami pa tayong activities na gagawin at pagsasamahan. And hopefully, you still join all the Xiaomi events, help us tell the stories, and we'll keep on offering a lot of innovations and technologies for the Filipino people. So, again, please enjoy the night. Para sa inyo po ito. Una ba kami? Una kami kasi mag-leave na ako eh. So, thank you very much. On a personal note, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you.